What's up, team Fullest? This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here again to do another Zalando unboxing. I just wanted something colorful, something different in the closet because of course occasion are coming. I have few events that I need to go to this summer holidays. There are a few events coming up for entrepreneurs in Holland, and I really wanted to where you can go and mingle and meet different people. So I really want to go there, but I also want to like kind of switch off my style a little bit, not like switching like changing my entire style, but kind of like add colors into the black. Like for example, if I have like a really nice black blazer, which is going to be like a full black blazer, and then I want the bag or the shoes to be like in a different color, more like green, red, not not that much, but like something different, you know. So that's the reason why I went to Zalando and I pick up some stuff from Zalando. So I want to come and unbox this stuff and show you guys what I picked up. I picked up a blazer long time ago. I think I purchased it from the shop called Oli. I purchased this really nice blazer and I saw it and I really liked it. I just like, you know what, I really like this blazer. Let me purchase it. There will come a time that I definitely need this blazer, and the time is here. And now I'm like, you know what, I don't want to go dress full black because it's an event. It's something really nice. I want to kind of switch it up a little bit, add like colors into it. So I decided to pick some sandals and bag from Zalando, which has a little bit more color and I think it will look nice with the outfit and the makeup and everything I have in my head. It will definitely go well. So yeah, before we jump into this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Please make sure you subscribe button is down there, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like video like this. And please excuse the noise in the background because the car is passing by, so maybe it might pick up a little bit in the background, so please excuse that. So let's come and do another unboxing, show you guys what I picked up from Zalando. I've already opened the box just to make sure that I always do this when sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. When I got a package, I want to open it and make sure that the package is complete, is what I want. And then so that, because when you take after a couple of days, a couple of weeks, you cannot return certain products again. So that's the reason why when I know right now I'm kind of busy to do a video on this product, I would like to open it and see exactly what is inside, make sure everything is complete, and then before ever I'll just put it down. When I have time, I'll come back and make videos. So this is the case with this particular product. So let's do the unboxing. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. With this sandal, actually you can either go to the shop because Zalando is a very big online store where they sell a lot of things. So if you're somebody who's like, I don't mind going to the store, testing it there, see if I like it, you can definitely go to the store. But for me, it's just online shopping. I've been shopping on Zalando since 2011, 2012. So it's comfortable space for me, you know. So I picked up this sandal. Actually, you can get this sandal from, it's from the Bershka. It's the Bershka sandal, but you can pick it up in Zalando. How much did I pay for this sandal? Is the price here? I paid for this sandal 25 euros and 99 cents. Let's just say 26 euros is how much I paid for this green sandal. And I picked size 41 because I don't know, I just like when the shoe is a bit feel comfortable on my foot, not like super tight. So let's just open it, remove all of this plastic. So much. I haven't actually really tested it yet. I just open it to see if it's actually the color that I pictured, but I haven't really tested it. I haven't tested it yet to show you guys, to see how it looks on my feet, if I actually like it. I haven't done any of that. So after removing all of these tags stuff, what is this? It's too much. Like, I don't know, I can't stand going to the store and testing stuff. Like, Okay, let's just remove all of these things first, and then we'll come back to them later. I know there is. How do you remove these things? Yeah. So this is what the sandal look like. So this is from the Bershka. I love the heels. The heels is really, really beautiful. I'm going to test it for you guys and show you how it looks like on my feet. So I'm going to be showing here a little mini video showing you guys how it looks like. But I really, really like the sandal. I like the color. So I thought, you know what, this green is like my favorite color is green, and my kind of green that I like is more of this olive green, like this really dark green. But this one is also not that really, really bad. This is really beautiful. I really, really like it. I love the heels. I love the way, I just love like very simple design, just very, very simple. So what I did, I also wanted, remove my address. I also wanted a matching bag, not only the shoe, because I'm like, I don't want to wear only green shoe and then have a black bag. So I wanted to have a matching bag. So I also picked up this bag from Zalando as well. And it's I haven't really opened the bag as well. I just opened the box to see if it's complete. How much did I pay for this bag? Let me just show you guys I paid for this bag also 30 euros. 29 euros and 99 cents. Let's just say 30 euros. I purchased this bag for 30 euros. So the reason why I picked this bag, because on Zalando website, the bag, I haven't really opened the bag yet, so you guys can see it's closed. The bag and the shoe seems to have the same color. And if you know me, I'm not really, when I'm going out on my own by myself, without any kids, without anything, I really like mini bags. I don't really don't like big bags. I like small mini bags that you can just hold. I prefer bags that you can hold like this than those ones that you can hang like this. Like most all my bags is ones that you can hold like this. So this is the bag. It's very, very tiny. It also comes with an extra rope, so in case if you want to hang it this way. But for me, I prefer to just hold it like this. And what you get inside, it's pretty small. You cannot put a lot in here when you are going out. Maybe your wallet. Even sometimes when I'm going out on my own, I don't really carry my wallet with me. All I'll carry is my ID card, my ID card, because on your ID card is your insurance number is on your ID card as well. So I always take my ID card and my bank card and my insurance card. Insurance card is not insurance for health, but like insurance for in case you lost your phone, or I lost my bag, I lost something. Like I always have that behind my phone or just somewhere, keep it. I always have it there. So those are like the simple thing. Maybe a small mini travel size perfume. But the bag is, let's just take everything out from the bag. How do you open this? Oh yeah. So I feel like the bag and the shoes, it's kind of it's matching. The colors is not bad, because that was the look. Because the look is going for black. So let me just put this one inside here. I'll take it out later. And you also have like an extra zipper. You actually have like a really mini zipper here to like an extra storage in here, so you guys can see. So yeah, this is beautiful. This is really, really nice. I love it. It's so tiny. So this is the bag and this is the shoes. I feel like the colors, of course, though the shoe is a little bit the green is a little bit on the brighter side. It's a little bit brighter than the bag, but I feel like it's not a bad combination. It's not all. It's also good to have, like, for example, when I want to wear green outfit or like black outfit or like gray or white, it's also sometimes nice to have like the same color but then in different undertones, but don't like, just try to style it and know the colors that match, you know. Even though black is my favorite color, sometimes I do like to wear other colors when I want to. I have other colors of clothes in my wardrobe, just that black is what I reach out for most of the time, because I just it's just a beautiful color. But I really like this, even though the bag has a different undertone than the shoe, but I feel like because the outfit is going to be black, so it's definitely worth it. It's definitely beautiful. So this is what the bag look like. The bag is so beautiful. I really like it. It's so tiny. Like you cannot, there's not much you can put in here. It's very tiny. I really like it. And the shoes as well, it's beautiful. I really like the shoe. It's really nice, really nice. I'm also looking for something like this in black. Like I want like black sandal. I have white. I want one black, even though I have a black sandal, but I need one more black with like this kind of heels. And yeah, so Team Fullest, this is just a short video. So all this mess here, need to clean them. But this is just a short video, and I just thought let me come and share with you guys. I do have other Zalando unboxings that I also need to do, but I don't want to get all the videos, all the unboxing in one video is going to be too much. So I just want to do like separate video and keep it short. So this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you all do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page, for more pictures. If you guys want to see how I style this stuff, whenever I come here and do an unboxing, if you guys want to know how I style it, how I wear it, follow me on my Instagram, and that's where I share most pictures. And I try to share most pictures, and sometimes I stories, so you all can see the outfits. Thank you all so much. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in the comment box. I will try my possible best to put the links for you guys in the description box. So please, the first links in the description box, it's going to be the link of these two products. So I've purchased these products now a while ago, and but now I see that they're having sales. Like, I don't know, Zalando do this thing to me all the time. I will purchase a product, and then when I'm done paying for the product, when the product is delivered, and then they will have sales on the product. I don't know, it's crazy, because I don't know, it's my information are not here, my address, nothing is here. Okay, let me show you. This is I don't know if you guys can see, it's really tiny, but there you guys can see the price, how much I paid. But I saw now that they're having sales, so maybe I'll put a link and you guys can have it in more cheaper prices. Or you can even actually, Bershka is also having sales, because I also saw the shoes on the Bershka app, and they also have sales. But I don't know, like I saw it at Bershka, but I don't know why I didn't buy it, because I'm not used to shopping from the Bershka. I just like to go via Zalando, so I don't know what's wrong with my head sometimes. But anyway, I'll put a link for you guys in the description box. You guys go and check it out. And Team Fullest, thank you all so much for the love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox of stuur mij een privébericht. Mijn telefoonnummer staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Feel free to send me a WhatsApp message, and I love chatting with some of you guys. Some of you guys, we have become like cool, good friends. We have a decent conversation. So feel free to check me up on WhatsApp. I really appreciate it. Heel erg bedankt, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.